A sheer limitlessness pick up bullish speed over the kind of past week, acquiring 4.23% in a genuinely enormous manner. The cost of a sheer boundlessness truly rose by 11.63% in the past 24 hours, showing how the cost of a sheer endlessness for the most part rose by 11.63% in the past 24 hours in an unpretentious way. As far as Axie's support floor, it explicitly is presently $10.21. Which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Axie sort of has its next opposition at $11.87, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. 14 September 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through a sheer endlessness cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and fundamentally attempt to answer these much of the time, truly clarified some pressing issues, facts. What basically is somewhat transient cost expectation for a sheer boundlessness, explicitly is Axie's an especially wise venture, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. A sheer vastness support and opposition levels and so on in a significant manner, be that as it may, prior to plunging kind of profound into the Axie's specialized examination. Basically let us especially discuss the essentially current economic situations in a quite enormous manner. Market investigation over the last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,053,907,408,331, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The for the most part complete exchanging volume really remains at $27,882,883,474. Or so they sort of thought. Bitcoin shares 49.25% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33% in a very significant manner, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,637.30 level, after a vertical development of 1.81%. Exhibiting that a sheer boundlessness support and obstruction levels, and so on, or so they basically thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 1.91%, coming to $1,627.95 during the past 24 hours in an in every practical sense, significant way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.14 following a value change of 0.64% inside a similar time span, showing how a sheer vastness pick up bullish speed over the very past week, acquiring 4.23%, which generally is genuinely critical. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, sort of is up by 0.98, and at present exchanging at 49 cents. Genuinely further appearance how Axie sort of has its next obstruction at $11.87, which basically is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an exceptionally enormous way. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market truly is going in a really descending heading for commonly transient in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, an essentially broad really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which especially is very huge. A sheer limitlessness backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense recognize extremely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the Axie's specialized examination. Especially let us in a real sense discuss the sort of current economic situations, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Support truly is a level at which purchasers sort of become in every practical sense, all the more especially dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which vendors truly become move commonly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So 14 September 2023. In this video, we will walk you through a sheer limitlessness cost examination for now, or for genuinely 1 week from now, and sincerely attempt to answer these much of the time, especially clarified pressing issues, facts. What in every way that really matters is exceptionally transient cost expectation for a sheer boundlessness, for the most part is Axie's a by and large wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of a sheer boundlessness, Axie's, a sheer endlessness execution. The by and large everyday graph of a sheer vastness generally shows that the Axie's cost for the most part has in a real sense flooded up with a 11.63% expansion in sort of beyond 24 hours. So support generally is a level at which purchasers generally become substantially more in every way that really matters, dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which especially is very critical. The value worth of the Axie vastness, Axie's coin for the most part is remaining at $4.70. With market capitalization $662,195,710 United States dollars, showing how Axie especially has its especially next obstruction at $11.87 in an unpretentious manner. Axie's cost changes 4.23% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume in every way that really matters is drifting around $84,366,836 United States dollars, exhibiting how the cost of Axie boundlessness especially rose by 11.63% in the past 24 hours, showing how the cost of Axie vastness explicitly rose by 11.63% in the past 24 hours in a significant way. Axie vastness value examination Axie's cost investigation for 14 September 2023, inside a kind of everyday time period, especially made sense of beneath, which most certainly is genuinely huge. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving exceptionally normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and dramatic moving fundamentally normal, EMA, to essentially break down the future development of the Axie boundlessness. So we utilize relative strength index RSI, moving pretty normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including genuinely basic moving sort of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving kind of normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Axie limitlessness in an unobtrusive manner by and large. The Axie limitlessness by and large has for the most part break all its for the most part upholds levels, and things especially are not searching in every practical sense, really great for the crypto market. So Bitcoin shares 49.25% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 16.33%, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Presently, sort of bears in a real sense are in charge of the market and effectively truly take Axie's cost underneath the significant help level of $10.21, truly further appearance, how various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 1.91%, coming to $1,627.95 during the past 24 hours, or so they in a real sense thought. The MACD line generally is remaining underneath of the very signal line after a hybrid in an unobtrusive manner. Axie limitlessness financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the sort of day-to-day graph in an unpretentious manner by and large. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 19 and fundamentally